Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Last time we learned how to make data twin outlets, and we learned also about socket and how to put some DP switch flex outlet for the split unit. And I didn't put split unit here up to now, it's related to mechanicals, so we have to follow them. So today we will go for the next step. Let's make today CCTV layout outlet for CCTVs. Just we will make that one. So before going that one, I will purge something. In AutoCAD there is an option called purge. So it will remove unwanted thing. What we are not using here, it will remove. So it will make our computer little faster. So let's go to the manage. So let's merge, purge unused. Here you see here. So check all. So let's make OK. So when you press OK, it will delete everything, and I got some problem. What happened? The circuit, end of circuit change. So no problem, go to manage, here electrical setting. So go to the wiring here, wire size wiring here. So here the home run arrow style, you can make 3 mm, or we will go for the smaller. Let's go for the 3 mm. So press OK. So it will be returned back. Remember, it is in 2018 version, you will not find there. And also let's start. So here I am going to use IP CCTV camera. So IP camera, it's little different. If you go here in the Google, let's type here IP CCTV camera. Yes, it's coming here. So you see here in the Google, let's go for this one. You see here this back box. So this back box will have one data cable like Cat6 or Cat6A. It's depend. Okay. So from the panel like a CCTV rack, or you can call also this one, sometime it will go direct to the IDF panel. So it's depend on the design. So from the let's say CCTV rack, there will be one Cat6 cable from the switch through the conduit. It will come up to the junction back box. So from there they will connect to camera. So we need to provide two things. So we will provide one data outlet, and also we will provide CCTV. So what will happen? They will terminate the Cat6 in the data outlet. There will be small cable from the data outlet to CCTV. If you see here, I hope there will be something. You see here this set of drawing, what is requirement item. Something like this. So this is the small cable. So it will connect to the data outlet. So some people they put directly into the back box, so they will connect. Some people they will put beside, so you can connect. So whenever something happen to the CCTV, broken anything, you can just remove the CCTV and bring a new one and fix, and you can do the repairing. But if you install, just it will be just opening and just outside, just it will be open. So here you see there's too many types, so we will go with this design. So let's go for let's place this data outlet for the CCTV. Now we have to model new one. So it's same symbol we can use, but this one I'm going to make edit family. So let's save as this one, file, save as family. So I have already one data single outlet. So what I will do, I will just replace that one. Yeah, single data outlet. Save. I can use directly that one, but I want to teach you how to make single data outlet. Save. So save, yes. It's not a big deal, just I will make some small modification. Just go to the reference level. So here I will just click this one, the plate, and just edit extrusion. So this is irritating me. Let's finish the symbol first. So let's click the symbol, edit family, go to the symbol, just remove this one, hatch. So we use single data outlet symbol like this. So country to country can be different, so you can choose your style. I am using the current Qatar standard. Load into family, so we will go to the single data outlet. Okay. Oh, escape. Load into family. Just remove this one. Okay. Do you want to save the changes? No, I don't want the changes. Save the changes. Alright. So this one done. Now I will select the frame, edit extrusion, and just remove one because I want to keep one. But if you have specialized design, you can take two Cat6 cable and you can use it. It's as per design, but for me now I need only one. Then the second thing, I will click this one. So this one I have to put data. Okay, so just put data. So that one I put telephone data together, and I will tell you something. It's a very important thing I remember now. So let's keep this one data only. So it's already done. The very important thing, please check this is switch on, otherwise the symbol will not visible. So let's load into project. Yes, I want to save. So regarding the height, you can change the installation height later, but we will not go for that one now. So just place it here. So I need one here, so I can keep another one here. So if I put another one here, the CCTV will be same place. So this area will be blind spot. So if anyone coming in this area, it will be not visible. So we will go with here. So I can focus the CCTV this way. So anyone come here, it will be focused. So here I will not put, I will put it here. Let's come here. I think, yeah, I will put it here. It's already elevation 1200, now it should be 2500. So another one here. So this one will be focused there, another one here somewhere. I can put somewhere here. Let's check first here, and if any problem we can change it. So I have done, just focus here. So this one will be focus here. So let's make another point. See S, create similar, because I am seeing this one as a blind spot. So we can go, we can put it here, no problem. Okay. So any changes, we can make changes. Now this is not a CCTV point, this is only the data point for CCTV. So in my previous video, I made this one dual outlet. So I connected only the telephone. If you see here, electrical settings, so it's showing the telephone symbol. So actually I have to put two connectors. So let's go for the edit family, let's correct it. But normally we don't put two outlets, just we put one connector and we will connect. But if you are doing your work 100% correctly, you have to put two outlets. That means two Cat6 cable will come to this point. So I have already one point, so it goes to the telephone. So, I will go create electrical connector, put somewhere here, I think it will go right. Oh, let's undo, otherwise I cannot see. Click delete. Yeah. So, let's go to the create connector, let's put it here. Let's make tab. Yes. So, I will know this one upper one is what. So, click here. So, here we can go for the data outlet. Where this data outlet? Okay, come on, apply. So, here, so I select telephone device, either you select data device, it's not a big deal. Let's make OK. Load into project. Do you want to save the changes too? Yes, I want. And all right, yes, I want to write. Override the existing version and its parameter value. Yes, this one is asking, it's not in the editable mode, you want to make it. So, if you click this one, so you will see two connectors here. So, telephone connector already I made it, but data I didn't make it. But if you make CS, click this one CS, and if you put it here another point, that means CS will create similar. So, you will see two things, data and telephone. And if you are using multiple socket, let's say you have a plate, telephone, data, power sockets and something else, you can put it. It's depend on the family design you are making. So, this one I don't want, I will delete. So, this one I can connect data, but I will go for that one later. Now, I will continue with the CCTV. Okay, now I have telephone outlet here. Let's save. Now, I need CCTV outlet. CCTV family member. So, this is very important. CCTV family, not like other family, it's a little bit complicated. So, focus on it to create the family. So, if you want, we can close this one and create the family and reopen and load it if you want. So, let's keep this one open. So, I will go file, new, family, and English, same as before, generic face plate, generic face basis, open. Okay, now I need the back piece. So, back piece I can go with the extrude, so no problem, very easy. Click this one. So, we will go with the circle. Let's make a circle. So, let's go with the 50. So, diameter will be 100 and this one I need 50. So, apply and OK, this is done. Now, I have to go to the front. Now, I have a plate here. Now, I need a pole, small pole. And remember, when we are doing a Revit modeling, we have two types. One thing we will show in the CCTV angle by symbol, and the 3D model will be just solid in 90 angle, just solid. But some specialized model, they will rotate they will make family that head can rotate. So, here I am not going to make head rotate, because that is one useless, because the symbol is very important here. Family, the 3D model, and we need to keep in a 90 angle. So, in case of we want to make in the 90 angle, it's related to clash detection. It is hitting or something, we cannot check if you make angle. So keeping 90 is better, it's my opinion, but if you have different opinion you can go with the rotation. For now I am not doing this one, so let's go for the pole, the small bar. That one also we can do in the reference level, yes. So let's go another extrusion. Let's click this one. We can go with the small one, and let's make this one maybe 100. No, let's keep 50. Okay, now let's go for the front. So this guy is down, let's make up. Okay, now I am going for the revolve. Okay, so just click this revolve, and this one you can go like this. Revolve, you have to draw only half. When you make revolve, it will be rotate in the 360 degree. So click, let's make like this angle, and like this, and we will go like this, and like this, and this one should be touch here. Then axis, click here to here, and okay. So we can make little up. No, close it, cancel. We cannot make like that, we have to edit, double click. So let's move this one little more up. Okay. So if you go to 3D, it will be look like something like this.